Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Gemini Jets Air India Airbus A350. This is the aircraft. So this specific aircraft is Victor Tango Juliet Romeo Hotel, or VT-JRH. It is Air India's 5th Airbus A350 in their fleet. At the time of the unboxing, this plane is 1.7 years old. It features a new livery of Air India, and this specific aircraft was the first aircraft to feature Air India's new livery. Now, normally the airplane shop sells this plane for $68, but we received it for $40 because when they first opened the plane, they found the wing, which was broken, but they glued it back on and left a tiny little chip in there. But overall, this plane is in really good conditions. A fun fact is that I actually captured this plane on its inaugural flight to Newark. So on the front is the Indian flag and the Star Alliance logo on top of each other. Then is the new Air India logo. On the underbelly is a golden accent with the red underbelly. Then there's the red and golden engines. And on the winglet, it's painted gold. And on the inside has the Air India logo. Has an Indian flag at the very end with the registration underneath. Air India's new logo comes from their previous livery, where the window patterns used to be in this shape. The model also features bending landing gear. This even has antennas and the Wi-Fi box at the back. Underneath the plane is also the new Air India logo. All in all, I think this is a great model. It has beautiful details, and for the price, it was definitely a steal. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.